Mom, why'd you marry that phony? What is wrong with you? I can't believe this.
You must be the Hopkins boy.
Where'd you come from?
We've been expecting you. Welcome to Bullworth Academy. I'm sure you'll be very happy here. Very happy indeed. Anyway, I can't spend my life waiting around for naughty little boys. I've got a man to make happy. The headmaster is expecting you, Hopkins, in his study.
Okay.
His study is over there, boy, in the main building. Don't keep Dr. Crabblesnitch waiting. He's a brilliant man. Brilliant.
Oh, I was in the way. My mistake. Having fun. Ready to go to sleep. I hope so. Come on. Wait up! I got something to tell you. Oh, so you're gonna start fighting? Squeak, go! Funny pants! You don't even understand what I'm gonna do to you. Don't speak to a prefect unless you're spoken to.
You're the best! The best! The best!
You can do your best, but I will defeat you.
You second-rate flub-dub!
When will these kids learn?
I hope Dr. Crabblesnitch doesn't forget about me. If you try anything, I'm gonna tell.
Equals 3.159268979.
Someone keeps breaking into the door.
I haven't had any money stolen for a whole week.
Golly,
I don't see why people can't accept.
Did you hear?
I'm smart. Hello there, ma'am.
Ah, yes. So you must be Hopkins.
Uh-huh.
What? Uh-huh. What?
I meant yes, sir.
Very good. Now let me see. You've done a lot of naughty things, haven't you? Vandalism, graffiti, bad language, violent conduct, disrespecting staff. Oh, I'm scared of you, Hopkins.
Come on, give me a break.
Yes, I've never met a boy like you. Never in all my life. Hopkins, you're quite the nastiest little boy I have ever encountered. Tell me, why should I waste my time on you?
I don't know.
Because it's my calling. It's what I do. You excel at causing trouble, and I excel at fixing little boys like you, at making you into respectable members of our community here at the Academy. I've got a good feeling about you, boy. A feeling you and I are going to be great friends. You keep that nose clean, boy, or I shall clean it myself. Miss Danvers, are you back yet?
Yes, Headmaster. And I got your tea.
You are good to me, Miss Danvers.
No more than you deserve, Headmaster.
Take our new friend Hopkins here and show him around the school and get him properly attired.
Certainly, Headmaster. Come along, boy. I haven't got all day.
And boy, remember, you will have a clean nose, so keep it clean, or we'll clean it for you.
So here I am at probably the worst school in the country, whose alumni are nothing but arms dealers, serial killers, and corporate lawyers. Real scum. And that old creep thinks he can tame me? We shall see, my friend. I only give people what they have coming to them.
Where's your uniform, young Hopkins? Run along now, child.
bunnies. They're so
You
nice.
cool?
I'll inform Dr. Crabblesnitch.
Why am I... Somebody said Gary is...
Got anything to say to this?
Be careful out there.
Stick it in your ear!
Now. You know, despite all the jerks in this place, I really love this school.
Okay then.
I wish I could go to school 7 days a week.
Guess what time it is? Yep, time for a beatdown.
Get the new kid. Beat him down.
Finally, some good old teenage bloodshed. Stuff that dork quad's head up in, but kick his knees in.
Where are your friends now?
I ain't gonna forget. I'll never forget. You're dead, new kid. Dead.
Hey, you! Break it up! That's enough of that! Break it up! Why are you not in your uniform, young man? Go change immediately!
Aw, come on.
Hey, you're the new kid.
Yeah? What's it to you?
Friendly, aren't you?
Give me a break, loser.
Hey, relax, friend. You're all pent up. Go easy or they put you on medication. They did to me. Boy, nearly sent me insane.
That's fascinating. Now if you'll
I
excuse me.
said relax, friend.
Get off, man.
Listen to me, tough guy. You just arrived at the toughest school in the country, and I'm offering to be your friend. Trust me, in a place like this, you're gonna need friends. So it's up to you. You gonna play nice or what?
Yeah, sure.
Good. So how about I show you around? We don't have a bar in the door, just a soda machine.
One day, girls will like me.
That
You
is
should
the
probably
spot.
change into your uniform if you don't want to get in trouble.
Stop!
You're such a noo-noo head. What a lightweight.
Am I?
Handsome. Please don't hurt me. What's gonna get upset?
Hey, how you doing? You must be the new kid. I'm Pete Kowalski.
Jimmy Hopkins, and don't ask how I'm doing. I've been here 5 minutes and already people want me dead. Even my parents didn't hate me this quickly.
Well, welcome to Bullworth. It's a dump.
Great, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent.
Yeah, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent because I'm really bad. Give up the tough guy act, pal.
Hey man, what's your problem?
Well, ADD primarily, but also life, my parents, this school, Western civilization, but really, honestly, enough about me. Oh, I see you've met the dorm's mascot. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Femboy, the girliest boy in school. Petey, haven't you got some imaginary friends to go annoy?
Why don't you leave me alone, Gary?
Look at you. Leave me alone, Gary. I'm really self-important now that I finally hit puberty. What's your problem? I'm just being nice to the new kid as he passes through Bullworth on his inevitable journey to prison.
Look, I gotta unpack. Would you guys mind getting out of here?
Oh, now look what you've done, Pete. Jimmy can't stand you already.
Snot's not supposed to be blue, right?
This place is totally...
What's your problem?
I'm gonna be rich. School is terrible.
Not again!
Come on, let's hug it out.
Jimmy,
I think
let me show you
self-knowledge
around.
is important and brave. It's so hard to get good food in town.
That's Russell's locker. You know, the big ape who almost put you in the hospital.
You like to eat fish?
I'm really sorry.
Your money, all of it!
I didn't mean to piss you off.
Stupid. Kneel before Russell! There's just enough not to smash you!
Come on, let's break into it and steal something. That'll teach him.
Disappear, sit back.
Careful around the prefects. They don't have much of a sense of humor.
Phone already.
You know you're not allowed to do that, Jimmy.
Well done.
Oh, now you're in real trouble.
We need like snack break and tea break in school.
Who cares if I didn't get it right the first time?
She didn't know what she was doing.
Ellen,
If I don't get that A, my mom will be so disappointed.
have to remember to tape that show.
You don't want a piece of me.
Absent. Amazing book.
Why do I get so nervous around
Come on,
boys?
psycho. This way. Watch.
Evil doer!
Oh man, there's that weird chick Eunice. Let's have some fun with her.
Oh my god!
Go, see what she wants.
Oh no!
What's going on?
He took my chocolate! Please get it back!
You know you look silly like that, don't you?
He's so
Why are boys so confusing? I just don't...
I always get my man. I always get my man.
I'm sure he was just kidding when he called me annoying.
There he is. Show him what you're made of, Jimmy.
Hey there.
Sure, I'll give you the chocolate if you pay.
I'm so telling on you.
Oh, so you want to scrap? Whoa, take the stupid chocolate. You suck big time. Why did you do that?
You made me mad.
I live for this!
Shouldn't you be at home sucking your thumb?
Save it for someone who cares.
Thanks! Wanna make out? Sheesh! Oh, thank you, Jimmy. I mean it.
You
Hey,
actually
you.
kissed
I really
her.
like your
Let's
outfit.
go to the caf. I'll show you who's who.
How did Washington come up with so many products?
Feeding time at the zoo. Okay, here's the deal. Over there, we got the nerds. Of course, they're complete social outcasts.
They look pretty harmless.
They're actually sneaky bastards. Their turf is the library. And those are the preps. They're all money and condescending attitudes.
Yeah, massively inbred and completely brainless.
Very observant, Jimmy boy. Now over there are the greasers. They think they're tough.
Or at least try to look tough.
Wouldn't advise messing with them, at least not yet. They hang by the auto shop. And last but not least, the jocks. These guys rule the school. Definitely avoid them.
Whatever, I'm not afraid of some dumb roid monkeys.
You'll learn. Come on, let's go.
You're here to learn, not to goof off. Get to class.
Theology textbook while riding your bike.
Class is about to start. Go now.
What are you doing in here? Oh, right. Class. Take care to follow my instructions precisely, as we will be working with volatile chemicals today. Good job. Keep paying attention. Keep up the good work. You're almost done. Good work. You have a future in chemistry. Satisfactory work, James. I'll see you next class. No sweat.
Simple.
It itches like crazy.
You're evil!
You want a piece of fatty?
Dr. Watson.
You seem to be making yourself quite comfortable here, my boy.
I'm just trying to fit in.
By fighting? By making a nuisance of yourself? That is not the Bulworth way, boy.
Yeah, you could have fooled me.
What?
I said you could have fooled me. This place is full of bullies and maniacs.
Nonsense! That's just school spirit. Hijinks. Why, in my day, we felt nothing of castrating the new boys. I want you to stop this nonsense, Hopkins. I want you to behave yourself. You might learn something.
Fine. Can I go now, sir?
On your way.
Hey, I saw you sucking up to Crabble Snitch.
What? Shut up.
Screw you, new kid. This is what we do to teachers' pets around here.
You better not. Ow! Come here, you little.
Yeah, come and get me.
I'd like a little slingshot, tough guy. I saw it. Congrats, was a film.
I heard them as
Okay, I'm gonna make you the laughing stock of the school. I'll break every bone in your scrawny little body. You wanna play games?
You're gonna wish you had a bodyguard. Step back. Your mama hit me. Crap face.
You wanna see me lose it? Huh, Dad? I mean, you're dead! When I'm done with you, your jaw's gonna be white. When I'm done with you, your jaw...
Look at the moron. Get off me. Dumbass.
is a polite society. Someone make me angry. I should teach lessons or something.
See you later, Dingleberry. Retard! See ya! What's buzzing, cousin? Hurry up, classes are starting. Okay, you breakfast! Okay,
You like that crane? It was a tiger, not a crane.
They're coming your way! Get back here right now! Stop so I can beat you!
Forget where your class is? You can't hide from the pain train.
I don't even feel bad about calling you names.
Why do they give us so much homework?
Hello, class. The curriculum demands that you do these vocabulary assignments. Why do you finish them here in class? That way you'll have more free time. Keep it up! I don't think that's in the dictionary. Good one! That has to be some sort of slang, yes? Try again, James. That's right! Good show! I'm afraid that's not English. Well done. I'm afraid that's not English. Good show. Try again, James. Well done. That has to be some sort of slang, yes? Keep it up! I don't think that's in the dictionary. I'm afraid that's not English. That has to be some sort of slang, yes? Well done, James. Well done indeed.
Russell would be barbarian king 1,000 years ago. Cry for mommy, dorkwad.
Please, don't hurt me.
Stupid. Atomic wedge.
It was easy. That's how it's done.
You're lucky I'm a busy
You ever
man.
get 1 million points in Grottos and Gremlins? Mr. Burns is a good for. Leave me alone.
No escape from the Trick Man. You're gonna be pissing blood.
Come on, cheer up.
Whatever.
Are you saying I'm not manly enough?
Man, if I had a camera now.
I think Oscar Wilde.
They're so poor. Forward is the worst.
You look inbred.
Disappear, sit back. No, you can't do this to me.
So that's a good idea, right?
Yeah, okay, all right, sure, I'll do it.
Hey man, what's going on?
Not much.
I was just telling Petey here about my idea to take over the school. I mean, my plan for us to take over the school.
What plan?
Don't worry, Jimmy. It's just a little something I came up with. It's sink or swim, my friend. And if you're good at swimming, you gotta let the losers drown. Why don't you guys leave the thinking up to me?
What?
What? What the? Can't you say anything else? You know what, Petey? You were right. Jimmy is pretty dumb.
What'd you say about me?
Whoa, nothing, no. All I said was that you had to be pretty dumb to get expelled from so many schools, that's all.
Relax, James. All he said was that you must be dumb. Or maybe you're all messed up because you came from a broken home.
What'd you say about me, dwarf?
Come on, dude. Chill.
No. Gary's taking everything out of context, man.
Whoa. Don't lie, Petey. Don't you lie. Because you know what happens to liars?
No, I'm not lying.
We kick them in the balls! Jimmy, this way!
Your move, dillweed doofus.
Does my breath
Come on,
stink?
dude, give me a
I hope
break.
my breath doesn't stink.
Can you hit them with a slingshot? I keep imagining myself in charge of a large animal. I'm a genius. Geniuses don't need dedication. Come on!
This town